This free tutorial will show you how to bookmark a website using Safari, using and with your smartphone completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel with all notifications. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, so bookmark a website on Safari for your smartphone. In this case, I'm using an iOS or iPhone. And then on Google, I want to bookmark this page right here. Let's say TikTok trends. So once the website and page has been loaded, you basically want to click on the website URL, which in this case, it's going to be on the bottom hand screen. So it will pop up like so. Click the middle icon where it's the share icon right there. And then scroll down and click the third option where it says add bookmark, which is below this reading icon, add to reading list, and above this star icon, add to favorites, add to bookmark. Then once you're happy or satisfied, you can go to the top right hand screen and then click save. If you want to access your bookmark on iPhone right here, you want to click the fourth icon, which is this book or reading icon. And if you scroll down, it should be at the bottom. Bada bing, bada boom. You have now successfully bookmarked a website on Safari for your smartphone. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.